Hi, my name is Makoto. I'm one of the PGY3 emergency medicine residents at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital. My POCUS innovation is a do-it-yourself central venous catheter trainer phantom. My program, like many others, use these commercial phantoms to practice central lines. While they are effective, they can be very expensive, big and bulky. Air artifact can cause it to be difficult to visualize the vessel, and at times we're told to refrain from doing certain parts of the procedure like cutting and dilating due to concerns for damaging the expensive equipment. So I made a central line model that costs less than $5, takes only a few minutes to set up, looks great under ultrasound, has minimal air artifact even after placing the central line multiple times, and most importantly, you can practice each and every step of the central line without concerns for damaging equipment. The base of the model is called yam cake. You probably have never heard of this before, but it's an Asian vegetable-based food product that you can find at most Asian grocery stores and only costs $3. Let me show you.
First, take the yam cake out of its package, give it a quick rinse, take a straw and push it through the model, and that'll leave a cylindrical hole that will become the vessel. You can make 4 or 5 vessels across like this. Next, place the yam cake in a container. I 3D printed this one specifically for the yam cake so that it wouldn't slide across while you're doing the procedure. Fill the tub with water, and this is what it looks like under ultrasound. It looks a lot like a commercial phantom. Here, we're following the needle using the out-of-plane approach, as well as the in-plane approach. Next, fill the container with food coloring to simulate blood, and now we're ready to start the central line procedure. When the needle tip enters the vessel, you can see a flash of blood return. We're going to advance our guide wire through the needle, take out the needle, make a nick in the skin, and then pass the dilator through. And now the central line goes over the guide wire and into the vessel. We can check our placement by free fluid flow through all the ports or by ultrasound.
For this proposal, I'm asking for just $200 to cover the cost of testing the model over the past couple of years, the cost of the 3D printing filament for the containers, as well as the future cost of yam cakes that I will use to teach medical students and residents. I'm going to work with third and fourth year medical students at the Sidney Kimmel Medical College, and I will have the students evaluate the effectiveness of the Phantom in learning placement of CVCs. Thank you so much for your consideration.